All right. What was I saying again?
Your buddy. No, no. The notifications, the ERD that we
Yeah, yeah.
explained.
The
You read
the
the
thing
book.
I was confused about. Oh, I saw people. They kind of did separate entities for like dog breed and like
Oh
stuff like
yeah,
that.
yeah,
I don't know if
yeah.
that's
I don't think so because it said that you just need to extend it.
yeah. You just need to extend it for the owner's entity.
Yeah.
And then the owner like stuff, I was a little bit confused on like the name because I know if you looked at the first ERD PDF file that
Mm-hmm.
professor showed us, um that it was saying like the name, like there's an abbreviation, and then like first name, last name, like are you gonna split it up like that or whatever? But the
Hmm.
data that we had, it was just singular. It was abbreviation, and then the other one was just single. I'm pretty
Yeah,
sure.
yeah,
So that one, I didn't really. I just put it as a one, like one total name or whatever. But
yeah.
anyways, sorry. Welcome
Hey,
back,
all good, all
whoever's
good.
watching. Um, we decided to just start it, even though we were talking about some other unrelated stuff. But welcome back.
It's
Um,
another stream.
another
Yeah.
stream. Apparently,
No.
this is week 52,
Apparently
but
it's week 52.
it hasn't been a year yet. So although we might have streamed 52 times, it hasn't hit a year, and I think it's because some weeks we streamed two times.
Yeah, we streamed like
Two,
two
t-
or 3 weeks. We
yeah.
streamed. Yep, yep, yep.
So we haven't hit a year yet. Year's gonna be in March. I think the first or second week in March. I'm not too sure, but yeah. We're gonna try out the new collabor. Oh, I don't know if it's new,
Oh,
but we just found out about the.
we just
What's
found
up?
out. Oh no, no, no! That I was gonna follow up with you. That we just found out about the League Code collaboration feature.
Yes, and I feel like this would have been useful for us to know about, like maybe last year, but
Yeah,
apparently it's new, but also apparently per sources it's gonna end in like next week. So
yeah,
it's
give
in
or
beta
take.
mode. It's in beta.
Yeah, it's beta mode.
I wouldn't be surprised if it becomes a subscription feature. I
Oh,
hate to
bro,
say it.
imagine,
I
bro.
hate to say it, but I wouldn't be surprised.
Yeah.
It would have to be
Uh,
something like one person needs to at least have a subscription or something like that.
damn, I wouldn't, I wouldn't be
And you know,
surprised.
I'm not hating on LeetCode, right? You got to make money somehow, but like, you know,
Yeah, it's like, come on,
I
brother.
feel like this feature is really useful for like mock interviews and stuff. You know, like me and Jose, what we've been doing this whole time was I was streaming it
Yep, yep,
to Jose to see. But what if Jose wants to crack at it and like um uh change some things up and stuff like that.
yeah.
Um so anyways, I'm gonna stop yapping. We got some comments
Well,
from Jeremy Santi. What are you gonna say?
oh, that I have it here. The thing says that collaboration is exclusive until March 1st.
Uh-huh.
To the looks of it, that the premium version is the only thing that's gonna give you is that you're gonna have early access to the new features, which the collaboration is gonna be a new feature, and to better features. So
Yeah. Sounds
I
about
think
right.
so I think the subscription is just gonna give you some early access, but I don't think it's gonna prevent you from using it. But with league code, I don't know. It might be. It might be that you need the subscription. Hopefully not, but because it's an amazing feature, like especially for like the mock interviews and stuff like that, and sharing. It's great. But
Yeah.
yeah, yes sir.
Very interesting. Okay, we got some comments from Jeremy
Oh yeah,
Santi Banez. Carlos, I've sent over an interview to your email. It's over Python, Docker, and Go. That's what I called you about earlier, just to give you a heads up. Oh, appreciate it, Jeremy Santibanez. I'm
yes
pretty sure
sir.
I got the email. So I'll check it out whenever I can. And then you can read this one, Jose. This one's for
Yeah,
you.
Jose, great job today in your mug, brother. You're going to kill it. Hey, thank you, Jeremy. Again, I know I've said it a lot of times. Appreciate your time. I know you've told me you had a busy week this week, and for you to find space, and the time to get the right resources, the right questions, and the right, advice ready to prepare that stuff, means a lot, and appreciate it a lot, Jeremy. You know, thank you so, so, so much. Yes, sir.
Big thanks to Jeremy Santibanez.
Yep,
Thank
yep,
you for
yeah,
being the first commenter of the night. Without further ado, Jose, you have some problems for
yeah.
us.
Yes, you know, throughout my preparation because I have to say, for my preparation for my interview, for what my potential, hopefully, for my interview for the internship, I've been doing a lot of LeetCode this past week, a lot, bro. I'm tired of it. I've done a lot of it.
You're tired of it.
I'm tired of it, bro. I want to leave this website, but I ran into backtracking, and when I ran into backtracking using LeetCode, and the LeetCode problems are really, really good, and I think you're gonna enjoy them a lot because
Okay.
once you see how it works, I feel like you're gonna love. I felt more in love with backtracking than with recursion, so they kind of go hand in hand. But it's really good, and this is the first problem. I feel like since I know we're gonna keep it short this live stream because I have to wake up at 7 tomorrow. Damn, but all good though. I feel like
Hey,
it's
I don't want to. I don't want to. What's it called? To scare you or anything, but apparently
uh huh.
there's an outbreak. No, no, no. Actually, no. Hold up. That's fake news. Sorry, fake news.
Yo,
Apparently, apparently, per announcement of our university, that someone I'm not gonna dox us or anything, right? But
yeah.
apparently there's been a trace of measles,
Okay, I've heard that. I heard that.
um, and someone that had it or was whatever, they visited our university
Uvas.
in the recent days. So I guess it's severe enough. I mean, I understand measles is like something serious, or it was serious, or clearly it's a concern. That's all I'm going to say. I don't know too much
Yeah.
about it, but it's a concern. Um, and clearly it's a concern enough for them to do an announcement
Yeah.
on social
Damn.
media about it. So, anyways, I just wanted to let you know that
I mean,
tomorrow you are on campus.
yeah.
So make sure you don't touch any doors, or you don't,
Yeah. Yeah. For sure.
whatever
I'd
the
be
case may be. Um, just to be cautious. I don't know how
damn.
it
That's
spreads or whatever. I don't know if we could do anything much about it. If I have no
yeah.
clue.
I mean, Uvas. That's. I heard about it. I heard that there
And
was a
that means
spread.
I'm gonna be staying away from you.
Hey, damn, bro. You gonna be like that, bro?
Of course I am.
Damn, bro. Ufas, bro.
Anyways, you
Damn.
heard that what?
No, I heard about the measles and stuff, but I didn't know it was that severe though. Damn,
See,
that's
me either. I don't know if it's really
yeah.
severe. I mean, I assume it is, mind you. I assume it is because they made an announcement about it.
Yeah.
So like,
Yeah.
they wouldn't make an announcement about, oh,
It wasn't
someone with the
yeah.
flu came. They had
Yeah.
the flu or
Yeah, I think
whatever.
what the means that it spreads easily because it's like through air, right? Like COVID and stuff. But hopefully nothing goes bad, because like you said, it's pretty, it's a disease that can spread it. Probably
I
create
think
some
it's a virus.
yeah, virus. There you go, virus. Um but no, like yeah, for sure. I'll probably no I'm just there for like a couple hours and then I'm gone, you know.
I don't know,
So
man.
hopefully they didn't visit our our building, man, because if they did, bro, ooh, but we're cooked.
You're cooked, not me.
Cooked.
Because like I
Ah,
said,
bro. Yeah, I don't care,
I'm
bro.
not
You're
gonna go.
not, bro. I'm gonna give you a hug, bro. Be like, yo, what up?
Nah, I miss you, bro.
Listen,
You,
bro. Hug you like, spoil you around, like,
you just like touch. No, never mind. I'm not even gonna. describe. But anyways, I'm ready to start
All
learning
right, up
about
and
this
ready.
backtracking. This is the first time
Okay.
we've done this, or
Yes, on the
okay,
stream, yes.
okay, okay,
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so if you want, you can read the problem. You
okay.
know, yeah, yeah, yeah.
All right. So we got Lee code number 39 combination sum given an array of distinct integers candidates and a target integer target. Return a list of all unique combinations of candidates where the chosen numbers sum to target. You may return the combinations in any order. The same number may be chosen from candidates an unlimited number of times. Two combinations are unique if the frequency of at least one of the chosen numbers is different. The test
Yep,
cases are
yep.
generated such that the number of unique combinations that sum up to target is less than 150 combinations for the given input. Okay. So for example, one, you have an input, which is an array called candidates. And it's consists of 2, 3, 6, 7. The target is 7. So the output is gonna
Yeah.
be a 2D array that has one array in it that's 2, 2, 3, and another one that's 7. The explanation behind this is that 2 and 3 are candidates, and 2 plus 2 plus 3 equals 7. Note that 2 can be used multiple times. 7 is a candidate. 7 is a candidate, and 7 equals 7. There are only two combinations. Example 2. Candidates are 2, 3, 5, and the target is 8.
Damn,
And for
man.
output, we get a 2D array that has the first array is 2, 2, 2, 2. Second array is 2, 3, 3, and the third array is 3 and 5. So, because those number are candidates, and you can use the number multiple times, they those are the combinations that reach the target 8. Lastly, you have candidates. For example, 3, you have only one candidate, which is 2, and the target's 1, and you can't make 2 turn into 1 with that. So, uh, one thing I was a little bit confused about is this right here. Two combinations are unique if the frequency of at least one of the chosen numbers is different.
Uh,
What is
um,
this referring to?
two combinations are unique in if the frequency of at least one of the chosen numbers is different. Uh,
Yes, yes, yes.
yeah,
Basically saying
yeah,
like, um, the frequency of this is there's four twos. For this
yeah,
one, there's one, two, two threes, and they're unique because at least one of the chosen numbers is different. The frequency of at least one is
yeah,
different. So it
yeah.
could be
Yeah.
for 8, it could be like 2, 2, 2, and then 1, 1, and
Uh,
like that would still be 8. Like 2, 2, 2, 1, 1 would be like
well,
let's say if there was one in here,
oh,
the number one,
okay, 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 okay.
and
Yes,
so
yes.
there would be three twos in that way. 2, 2, 2. Yeah, there'd be three twos in that array, and then two
Yeah,
ones, and the frequency is different by one than this one because there's four twos.
yeah, yeah,
So that's
pretty
all it's
much.
saying. It's just saying
Yes.
no exact. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yep, yep, yep,
Uh.
yep.
All right.
So it's an
So
interesting problem.
yeah. So now explain what backtracking is. You might need to refresh my
Okay.
memory on this.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So backtracking, what it means is that you go into one path, right? Deep into one path. And then once you finish that path, you're gonna check, hey, is this the answer? Right? If it's not the answer, you're gonna go back a step back in the path, right? And then you're gonna go one path to a different direction. And then oh you say, hey, this is not the right answer. You're gonna step back again and then step back again. So you're gonna go through one path and you're gonna retreat your steps back and then you're gonna try different paths. If that makes sense.
But you only
So
retreat back once.
you can retreat as many times as you can until you find
No,
the
but
answer.
you
Yeah,
you can retreat two times instead of one back.
yeah,
Like I know
yeah,
you could keep going until you find the answer, but can
yeah,
you like it's obviously like you're only going one back and then checking the new like in a maze, like you go
yeah.
back to the last
Like the last
left or
turn you took.
right, the
Yep,
last left or right, and you change the route.
yep, 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 yep. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yeah, so that's backtracking in here. And so for this problem, right, it's a little bit interesting, right? Because if we go to Excalibur, I think I gave you the Excalibur, no?
I'm here.
Yeah.
Are you here?
Yeah, I think I'm a little
Yes,
bit.
I see you.
You see me? You see me?
I see you.
Okay. So it's 2, 3, 6, 7, 6, 7, like this. So that's what we have right now, and we're trying to look for 7. 7 is our target, right? So here we can start with 2, right? We can start with 2, right? And this 2 is going to take us into another 2, into another list, right? And then we can start again with 2. Is 2, 3, 6, 7, right? So when we choose the first 2, this 2, we have a value of 5. We're looking for 5, right? And then when we grab this 2 right here, we have a value of 3. Then when we go here, we have a value of 1. And the reason this is 5 is because I'm subtracting 2 from
Yeah.
7. And then
Okay.
2 from 5, 3, 2 minus 3, 1. And then from here, I'm going to say, hey, this is negative 1, right?
Yep.
Negative 1, 3, 6, 7. Want to see, hey, this is negative 1,
Go
right?
back.
Have to go back over here, right? And then if we go back over here, we reduce this, right? And we say, alrighty, 3 minus 1, 2, negative 2. And then we do 2, 3, 6, 7. But now we did 3, right? Hey, this is still negative 2. We do the same thing for 6. 6 minus 1, that's negative 5, right? 7 minus 1, 7, oh, 7, 1 minus 7, that's negative 6. So we know for sure that this one is not going to take us nowhere, right? So we have to delete this iteration, and
And then come back to
start from 3, right? 3 minus 3, 0. So we say, hey, this is a 0. So we know for sure we need we need a 3, a 2, and a 2.
2.
So that's our first iteration right here. And we also have to
Then
check 6
once
and
you
7.
hit it, then you go back again, check 6.
Yeah, you go to this one over here because once we finish this iteration, we have to go here and we have to check this 3. And then yet again,
Wait,
we have to.
wait, wait. What if oh so the array is gonna be in order? Like in ascending order?
No, it's just gonna be random. It's a random.
So the array is random like it's not
I
sorted.
think it's, yeah. I don't think it says it's gonna be sorted.
Can we verify that? An array of distinct integers, blah 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 blah. All element kind of
Yeah.
so they're random.
Yeah, they're random, and I
Okay.
don't think.
Well,
Yeah,
in that case, don't you need to check the next one after you find out it's zero? Okay, because
yeah,
what if this
yeah,
one?
yeah, yeah. Exactly. Yeah, we're gonna continue to 6, continue to 7. Yeah,
Okay, okay,
yeah, and until we
okay.
exhaust this array, we can now go back.
Yeah,
Yeah. So
interesting.
that's so
Now
that's back. Uh-huh.
let's backtracking. I have a question for you,
Yeah, yeah,
and this is more just to help you, but also help me learn. This is to help you
yeah,
reinforce. What's the benefit of backtracking? This seems like a brute force type of
yeah, for sure.
approach.
For sure, for sure. Well, uh, because backtracking pretty much allows you to explore all the different possibilities, right? Without needing to use like something like a for loop or something like that. For example, in this problem, you can't really use for loops because you don't know, you have an infinite amount of numbers, right? And you can have 10 different for loops, and they all those 10 can give you, right, X amount of combinations, but you might be missing X amount more of combinations because you don't have enough for loops. So this backtracking just allows you to keep on going, keep on going, keep on going without the need of pointers, pretty much. Because you know how we like two sum, where we had to look for two numbers that are equal, or that the sum of
To the
those two
target.
numbers equals 7, yeah, to the target. This backtracking removes those pointers, removes the dependence of pointers or for loops, and just allows you to explore the infinite amount uh, of possibilities.
Okay. So so when we're talking about like time complexity,
Yeah.
is this meant to be like fast, or
Um,
like
I'm not sure how fast it is, but
I maybe I assume maybe space wise there's some improvement in a for loop. Maybe I might be maybe I'm misunderstanding, but um I'm just trying to understand
like,
what's special
wow.
about backtracking. Like why did they need to
Yeah.
make it why did they call it backtracking and not brute force?
Um. Okay. Okay. I see. I see. I see. Well, I think it's just the concept that you're doing, how you're doing it, is this usually is done by using recursion, right? In a brute force way is that you're gonna explore every single
Everything.
idea, every single, yeah, X amount of pointers, and you're gonna need X amount of pointers on all that stuff. Here you
So I
pretty
guess
much,
oh keep going, sorry.
yeah, here pretty much you kind of can create like a base case. For example, when we reach a -1,
Yeah,
we can
then
say
you
like,
go
hey, we
back.
know for sure we can go back
You don't
and say,
keep
hey,
going like in a brute force scenario.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, so like it helps you in that sort of point of view prevent those cases. Um and I think you just call it backtracking because the way you think about the problem, where you go through one way, right? One single way, and then you come back. And then
Mm-hmm.
you go to another way, and then you come back, right? So, and I love the implementation of this because it's really, really nice.
Okay.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Well, in that
So,
case, is the schedule all done? We're done with the
yeah,
explanation.
we're done with
All
explanation.
right.
What?
I'm curious to
Yes,
see.
sir.
All right.
Okay. So first of all, right?
First of
First of
all,
all, first
first
of
of
all,
all,
first of all, right, right, right. Oh, bro, these are cool that I can type and that you can type, bro. Ooh, fast.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
ban you from typing privileges.
Hey, yo,
How do I do that?
chill.
Oh, I'm
Dang.
gonna set you to read only mode.
Oh,
Boom. Try messing around now.
damn, bro, you
Yeah,
do me like
that's what
that,
I'm talking
bro.
about.
I'm
Look
gonna
at
switch
me.
the
La
password
la
of
la
the
la
screen
la
of the
la la
YouTube,
la.
bro.
Yo,
Yeah,
chill. All
yeah.
right,
I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
I
I'm
switched
kidding.
it back.
Okay, okay. Um, okay. Uh, there you go.
So this is not gonna be a while loop. This is all
No,
recursive.
this is all recursive, and this is I love how recursion can like work in this way. Like, is it? I don't know. I like this solution. I like this approach of backtracking because it's like to me,
Yeah.
right? So
So this
first of
can
all,
be a okay. I'm following you. I'm following you.
okay, okay. So we need to declare a function, right? We're gonna call it track. We're gonna
Okay,
track it, right? Oh, socks on. Hey, what up, Carlos?
Jesse.
It's just
Yo, what's
hey,
up? What's up, pal? What you doing? Hey, he's my group member for software
hey,
engineering.
hey.
Yeah.
Welcome to the stream,
What's up,
brother. Welcome
Jesse?
to the stream.
This is to introduce you, Jesse. This is my friend Jose.
Yo, what up, buddy?
Um, We don't know Jesse though in real life. He's online only, I think. So we
Okay,
I don't
okay,
think we've
okay.
ever met him like or seen him in passing or whatever.
Alrighty.
But anyways, yeah, he's really cool and he's really I was admiring how much he pays attention to the book.
Yeah,
Like and
hey,
he's
that's
really
good to hear.
focused in the group project. So
Oh, really?
um
Hey.
I was telling him like he's a rare gem. Like there's not a lot of people that are like that engaged into a project. So anyways, let's see what he
Yeah.
said. Let's go, bro. I got hella into methods for the past week and it's been a little TV it's been lit TVH. Into methods. What are we talking about here?
Method? Ooh,
What do you mean
like
by that?
Java methods or class methods?
What do you mean by methods? I'm curious. Keep going,
Or
Jose.
you guys
Oh.
doing or software engineering, maybe like methodologies, like the way you guys like like work and stuff, like agile, waterfall,
Oh,
prototype, and what is the other one?
possibly.
Yeah, maybe.
LeetCode into
Gotcha. Hey, hey, thank you, brother. Thank you, Saksan. Thank you. Oh, Jesse, thank you for, if you like it, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. And I hope you feel comfortable
oh,
and
LeetCode
stay.
auto corrected to methods. What the?
Oh,
Okay,
damn.
so I've been getting into LeetCode for the past week. It's been late. Dang, that's good to hear,
Hey,
man.
that's what we're here
That's
for
good to
there.
hear.
Yes, sir.
It's really
Me
fun.
too.
Like, trust me, like whenever you find a cool problem and you're like, bro, how how like it's a cool problem and you're trying to solve it and you're like trying to break it
Yeah.
down and stuff. Talking about that, I saw a flow chart of like ways you could break down a leak code problem. I don't know if it works for everything, but it's just a general like guideline. I'm pretty sure I shared it to you already, Jose, but I could share it to you
Yeah.
again if that's something you're interested in seeing.
Yeah, for sure. 100%.
Yeah, it kind of just gives you an idea like if the question's talking about like a min or max, then you're gonna do a heap, or like if you got if it's talking about brute force, it's like okay, is brute force gonna take too long? Yes. Okay, then you do backtracking or like blah blah blah. I think I drawed it out because the flow chart that I found it was like an interactive like little flow chart, and for some reason I couldn't screenshot it fully because of like a big old flow chart. So I just
Yeah.
ended up drawing it myself, and then so I could share that with you if you need me to. But anyways, I'm gonna
Alrighty.
stop
Hey.
yapping. Jesse, appreciate you showing up. If you want to stay, stick around, bro. Or if you got some other stuff to do, don't worry about it. Don't you worry about it. All right, Jose, I'm good.
All right, bet. All good though. All good though. So, one thing we have to notice is that we have to use a for loop, right? We have to use the for loop because we have to check all the candidates of a list, right? We can start from two, right? If you go to description, right, we can start at two, we can start at three, we can start at six, or we can even start at seven, right?
Okay.
So for that, we need some sort of a for loop, right? So we need a for. Wait, give me a second. Forgot. We're gonna go for I in range. In range. Yes, no. Yeah, we can say in range, or we can say in, yeah, in length. Right. No, let's just do candidates. Yeah, the dates. Right.
Okay.
So boom, we got this. So now we have each candidate. So right, just to make sure here, we're gonna pass in candidates, right? Because we need to have access to the candidates,
Yep.
even though we can actually have access from here, right? I feel like it's a good practice just to putting it as a method, as a parameter in here. So what do we want to do with this candidate? Well, we wanna, like we said, like we saw in the Skelly draw, we once we have a candidate, we have to send our current sum that we have to the following, right? We can either subtract or add. And I would say for these for this specific one, we should add, we should accumulate. So if we start from two, right, we have the current sum that we have right now is two. Then if the next iteration we find the three, we add the two and three, we have a five, all the way until we hit target, right? So we're gonna say track, right? We're gonna say candidates. Let's send it again. The current sum, which is which is whatever
Mm-hmm.
cursum is, and we're gonna send it as a parameter here. So we're gonna send candidates and cursum, right? Easy, right? That's right? We're gonna loop through
Yeah.
all the candidates. We're gonna send candidates again, and we're gonna send the updated version of the current sum we have. Yay or nay? Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now, base case one, right? Since we are taking the addition approach, right? We're adding to curse sum, right? The only way we can return
Can you do
something.
fill in the blanks for me?
Okay. Yeah, for sure. All right. We need so
Imagine you're teaching me.
okay. So well, I'm gonna let you do this one then.
Okay,
If I'm
okay.
adding to current sum, how can I know the current sum or that a current path that I'm taking, right? Based on my current sum, how can I use my current sum to determine if I haven't or if it's impossible for me to reach my goal or my target given the current sum I have?
If it goes below 0,
Well, look at our track on line 12. What are we doing to current sum?
we're adding.
Yeah.
So if it goes above the target.
Yes, sir. Do it. Yeah. Type it out. Type it out.
Oh, sorry.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Bro. Okay.
what's up?
Wait,
What's
wait.
up?
Oh, all good, all good, all good. There we go. Yes, sir.
Yo,
Yo, what you
what are you
mean?
doing?
What you mean?
I'm all the way up here.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, we're in a glitch. First ever glitch.
Oh, damn. That is crazy. There, yeah, because you seem lower than than it looks like it. Okay. Oh, five. That's not good. That's
We're in a glitch. Oh, now it's all messed up for me,
candidates. Yeah, it is messed up for me too.
bro.
Damn. Ooh, fast. Ooh,
So what
fast.
are we gonna do now?
Um, if you want for this stream, I can take over. Um, damn, bro, that's not fun.
Okay, well, regardless, if you fix it up, it's gonna be messed up on my side. So maybe,
Maybe,
uh,
yeah, yeah, yeah. Because since the viewers can see your side, I'll play around on on my side, and I won't fix my code. So you can have it nice and formatted on your end. Yeah,
okay. So what do
yeah.
I do? I just try
Okay,
to
so
retype it in.
no, no, no. You good there? You good there?
Oh, okay. Well, on my
Yeah, yeah.
side, it's ugly.
Okay, yeah. Fix it up then. Fix it up.
Okay.
Fix it up. Fix it up.
So I believe you said for I in dates, finding candidates, track candidates, person plus I. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
something like that. And then
Yes.
we were saying right here that if cursum goes over target, that's when we can say that, hmm,
All right. So what do we do? What's the next step?
you
What do
backtrack and you move into.
Yeah, but in this specific base case, what do I do? Like I know Cursum is bigger than a target, and like you said, that I
You
won't.
move over
You,
to the next number.
yeah. How do I do that?
You continue.
Well, you're in an if statement,
Okay.
right? So, for example, right here, right? Let's say we're in the for loop, right? We're in the I, right? I said candidates. I said the Cursum to I, right? I caught track, right? I go back on top,
Uh huh.
right? And it say, hey, the current sum is greater than target, right? I can't reach it with the number that I gave me, my previous call gave me. I can't reach where I want to be or my target, right? How do I get back to the for loop so I can check another I?
You return.
we return back. Yes, sir.
So,
We return. Yeah, like that. So this return is gonna help us go back, right? And for the for loop to go to the next candidate, so it can call track again and verify if the current sum is indeed the target.
okay.
Yeah or nay?
Yay.
Okay. Alrighty. Okay. Okay.
Another
Okay.
base case would be if it equals target, correct?
Exactly. Yes. 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 Yep. Yep.
Mm, okay, so whenever it
Okay.
equals target,
Here,
we want
I'm
to
gonna, I'm gonna jump in here a little bit just to
please
like
jump in.
help you out. Yeah. Yeah. So once we have a candidate and curse sum, we want to store it somewhere since we want to return an array, right? An array of arrays, right? So how do we store it? We have to need a parameter called ans or answer, right? And a parameter called temp, right? You might say, well, why? Why do I want a temp or why do I want an answer?
Can I
Well,
guess?
yeah,
I say answer is going to be the main array, and temp's going to be the subarray that's going to be pushed into the main array.
exactly. Yes. So temp is going to store the different candidates that give you the target sum, and ans is just going to be the overall array
What you're
that
going to
stores the
return.
exactly. Yes. So in here, like you said, if target sum equals target, what does that mean? That means that we reached the target. And that means that the candidates that we have in temp, right, give us target, right? Yeah or nay?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, so apply that logic then.
Okay, so this will go. Uh,
So think about the base, yeah. Think about the base case.
okay. Well, then this is going to say that ands. Bear with me. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna comment it in. We append temp to ands. Here, I'm gonna put down what I'm thinking, then you tell me where you'd probably correct it. And then here, this right here, should it be should it be store in temp? Okay, that's my idea.
Let us see, let us see. Give me a second. Okay. All right, let's see. So yes, on the first, in the if statement, you're correct. And we are going to store it in temp. Yeah, we're gonna store the candidate I in temp. Yes, yeah. So
Right
you're in the
here.
right track. Yes, but you're gonna do this beautiful trick that I found. Right? How would you store it in temp?
Um, you're talking about this right here.
Yes. Let's think about that.
Um,
Yeah. Yes.
how would I store it in temp? Well, I would do. I was thinking of like saying temp, something like that,
Okay. Okay. Um. Let's see.
or
So. Okay.
or hmm, temp.
Okay. I see. I see. I see.
I don't know if that would work.
Alrighty. Okay.
Those are my.
Um.
I don't even know if the first one will work, but
Yeah.
something along
Okay.
the lines of that.
Think about it. Think
Yeah,
about it.
I'm thinking.
Right. Look at our definition, our function definition.
Yes.
What are we missing from line 7 and line 18?
What are we missing from line 7?
What are we missing that in 18 that we have in line 7? It starts with a P.
We're missing parameters.
We're missing parameters. So if we're missing what parameters are we missing?
The answer and the temp.
The answer in the temp. So We want to pass in the answer that we have, right? Whatever answer we have. And we want to send a temp with the new candidate. Yeah. Okay. We want to send the temp with the new candidate. How do I add a new candidate to a temp? Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Okay.
Don't tell me, don't tell me.
Okay. I mean, first, you're on the right track, but I don't
Okay.
think you have to declare it in X. I think
Oh no, you don't.
you don't have to declare it in X, right?
Okay.
You can just pass in temp. But I'm gonna tell you one thing, and this is the special trick that I love from it.
Okay.
When you do temp.append I, you affect the entire array, right? That means that the next call, the next call to track the next function or the next iteration per se of recursion, you do temp.append, it's gonna append it to the array. Then the next one is gonna append it to the array. And the next one is gonna append it to the array, right? What's the problem with this is that you're gonna have like a global array, right? That all the recursive calls can append to it. Yeah? Yeah or nay?
Yay.
Yeah? What's wrong with this? Well, you won't be able to do backtrack because once you go backtrack, right? Let's say
Yes,
in a
it's already
call,
gonna be appended.
it's already going to be appended. So you can't really backtrack because you cannot remove that element from the array
Yeah.
already because it's already appended. So how do we fix this? Well, if you go to the temp
Well,
on line 19,
okay.
right? You're going to do plus temp plus, right? You're going to do square brackets, and then inside the square brackets, you're going to return I. Not return I, just I. My bad. My bad. I misspoke there. So this is doing is that it's creating a new array with the new candidate I, right? And it's sending it to the next track. But you're not affecting your temp. You know what I'm saying? Like you have your own version of temporary variables and you're sending another version with a new candidate to the other call. That way when you can backtrack, the temp that you have won't be affected to the elements you added. You know what I'm saying? So this temp.a creates a new array with I in it, and it sends it. When you come back, you still have your temp without the I. Does that make sense?
Okay. I'm gonna leave this here for whenever we solve the problem. I want to test something out.
Would
But
it
yes,
be
it makes
remove
sense.
I after this? Yeah, and it would work if you remove with I. Yes, you would totally do that. Yeah, it could work
Like
100%.
without doing this trick.
Yeah, without you can do append, and then after the call you can do pop or
Okay.
remove. Yeah,
Because
yeah,
this
yeah.
trick, like I had no clue about that. But
Yeah, me neither.
that is
Me
really
neither.
cool.
Yeah, me neither. I really didn't even know existed until I ran into this problem. For sure, for sure.
Okay.
Um, so now we are almost done, right? We got our candidates, recurse sum, ands. Now we just need the if statement on line 14.
Okay.
Now that we have our temp, right? And we know that the curse sum that we have, right, is uh is equal to the target sum, right? We can append the array, the temp, right, that has all the candidates to ends. And then after that, we can return back to explore more variables, to explore more candidates. Yeah or nay? We good?
That's a big yay.
Big J? Yeah. So
Big,
that
big J.
so that's a little bit that's backtracking to its like fundamental way where you keep a state in one of the cause and then the next call has the ability to come back to that state and further explore other different states, right? So yeah, so now we have that and we should be pretty good with this. um just one more thing, right?
We
As
need
you
to
can see,
declare our ands and temps.
um yes, and that could be outside the definition. Yes.
Temp as well?
You don't have to declare temp.
Okay.
Wait, do we? I don't think you can. I don't think you have to. Yeah, you don't have to. You don't have to. So just in the declaration of where we're gonna call track
You just put
an empty array.
an empty array.
Yeah, dude, this thing does really is really messy, bro.
Oh, we
Like
need
the
some. Curse some?
uh, not really, not really. We don't
You
really
just
need cursor. Put
you put
zero.
in
We can put
zero?
yeah. We can put zero. Ands you can refer to ands, right? And temp you can do yes.
Very
And I
interesting.
think that should work, but we have one more thing
One
to
more
worry about.
thing.
One more thing to
Don't
worry
tell
about.
me. Don't tell
It
me.
has
Should
to
I
do with
know?
the description.
Should I know this?
It comes in the description. So
Okay.
there's it's bolded. It's bolded. It's bolded.
There's like five things that are bolded.
First sentence, first sentence, first sentence. The one where it's like, damn,
Yes.
yeah. Which one?
Return all unique combinations?
Combinations, unique combinations. So we have to reassure that we don't repeat combinations, right?
Yes.
How do we do that? Well, um, if we go back to Skelly Draw, it's just so real fast because I don't think I'll be able to explain it in words.
A hash table?
No, sir.
No, sir.
This is an even. Oh, I love this trick. So let's say this is our first call, right? We start two, right? We go to two, we go to two, right? Then let's do another one. Two, two, three, right? Then two, two, six, two, two, seven, right? We're good. Yes?
Yes.
And then we go to three, three, two, two, right? Wait a minute.
No, we go two, three,
Oh, yes,
two.
yes. We go two, three, two. Wait a minute.
Wait a
Didn't
minute.
we just do this? We did two, two, three. Now we're doing two, three, two.
Ah,
Isn't that the same?
that
Right?
looks like the same.
It looks like the same, right? It looks like the same. So, right, but then we keep going, right? Two, six, two, no, two, three, two,
Two,
three,
three, three.
three, two, three, six, two, three, seven. And then we do two, six, two, two, six, three, two, six, six, two, six, seven. Right? We're good. We're interested. Right? We're nice. But then we do three. Three, two, two. Didn't we do this one already?
Yeah,
Right?
we did.
We did, right? Huh. How do we stop that? How do we prevent this three to return back to these two? Or for even this for yeah, for how do we prevent this three to come to this side? Well,
Um,
we just start
look,
here.
look.
Huh? Where?
I was gonna try to guess it.
Oh damn. Okay, I guess it, but I haven't given you the full answer yet.
Woo! Huh. I mean, I gave a suggestion saying dictionary to see the
Okay.
frequencies, but you
Yeah.
said no earlier. So
Yeah.
now I'm thinking now I'm that idea went out the way. Um, hmm, I have no clue.
Okay. get the starting index. So if the starting index is 0, we start at 0. We get 222, 2232, 262, 272, right? Well, 222, 223, 226, another way.
Yeah.
Then we move to the starting season. Then we move over here. We go 333, 3 333, 336, 337, 363, 37, 363, blah 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 blah, and then we move to 6, and then we move to 7, right? So we always keep track of the starting, so we won't go back to previous elements that we already iterated through.
But doesn't
Yeah
that
or no?
defeat the purpose of backtracking?
Well, yeah, well, not quite, because we already visited them. We prevent backtracking to visited elements. For example, 2, right? 222, then 223, right? It's the same thing as 322. So why even go to 2 if we already visited it right here? So we just go chop these two out and keep on going like this.
But what you're saying is that based on
The
what we had
starting,
before, we will start here, we'll go down, we go down. Does that equal 7? No. Okay, so you go back one. You start here, now you're here, now you check this one. Does that equal 7? Yes. Okay. And then you check this one. Does that equal 7? No, no. You go back, you check here, and then you check this. Does that equal 7? Yes. But this, what you're saying is you check this, check this, check this. That doesn't work. You check this, 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 this. And then if none of those work, then you just completely start from the beginning again and do the same thing. Ding, 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 ding,
yeah,
ding. If
yeah.
that's not it, then you completely go to the next one. Ding, 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 ding,
Oh,
ding,
not
ding.
all the way, not all the way over here, not all the way over here. For example, right? If we let's see, okay, yes. So we don't start all the way over here. We say, hey, 2, right? I start at 2, right? I start at position 0, right? Send this position 0 to 2, right? To this iteration, say like, hey, start at position 0. Then this one sends over here, right? A start at position 0, right? So now we got 3 position zeros, right? 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. And then we check, of course, if it is 7 or not. And then since this is not 0, is not 7, right? What do? We go back over here to this line and we send 3, right? This 3 is at position 1, right? We send position 1 all the way over here to this row. So now we're starting from here, right? Because we started at 1, now we send this one over here. So we're starting at 3, right? Why do we send the 1 over here? Because if we send 0, we're starting over here, which we already covered, or we are going about to, which we already covered this solution. You know what I'm
Problem
saying?
39.
This
Combination
is
sum.
this is problem 39, backtracking. Yes, sir. So we start so we start here at 0, yes?
Yes.
Then we send this 0 over here, right? 0. Yes?
Yes.
As a starting point. And then this one cost track and sends 0 right here.
Yes.
Yes?
Mm-hmm.
And then is this valid? No,
No.
right? Okay. This one, um, right, well, this for loop goes to 3, right? Is this valid? Yes. Then it goes over here, and then it goes over here, right? Here or nay?
Yes.
Yes, we start here, and then we explore all of this. Then once we explore this, we go to our next 3, which is position 1, right? So this position 1, we're going to send it to over here to start at position 1,
Okay.
to start here. Why
Perfect.
here? Because
Because you
we already
already went.
explored. this. Yes, sir. We already explored this, right? 232 is the same as 223, right? We already explored this too, right? We already explored this combination. Year name. Yeah, we already explored this combination. There's no need to repeat it because we did 223,
Wait, pause,
right?
pause, pause. I understood it for 1 second, and
Yeah.
then now I just got it. I lost it.
Okay.
Let me think it
Okay.
real
Okay.
quick.
Okay.
Let me think it real quick.
So,
So no, I need to think it. I need to think it.
okay. Okay.
Give
Okay.
me a second. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, and then you move over. You move over. You don't go here again. You don't go here because technically you already checked it. But how I guess it's just kind of like
Yeah, like wrapping your head around. Yeah.
I'm just wrapping my head around how this,
How this is the same, or how does the index
like, how do you
like?
know for sure that you can never, that if you decide to start to continue on from where, like, how do you know for sure you're not missing out on something?
Well, because we started at two already. Stu, we already covered all of these, right? And then it's like these two we already did it, right? How do I see? How do I explain it? Um, so 0, 0, 0, and then 0, 0, 1. Yes, okay. So the combination of having two twos, right? We already did it. The combination of having two twos, right? Because we have these two twos and we explored all of these positions. Yes or no? We had these twos, we explored all of these positions. Yes or no? Right? And then once we move three, we can disregard two, right? Because 3232, we already checked it because it has two twos already. We already checked that position. So we can disregard about it. We can forget about it because we already checked when we had these two, when we had two twos or two of the same number. So we can kind of forget about it and start from here, right? And then we do 233, 236, 237. And then once we move over here, right? Position two, we're going to start right here. But why right here? Well, we already explored when we had a three over here using this three. We already used this three. We already explored this three with this one over here. Because 263 is the same as 236. You know what I'm saying?
I get all that. I get all
Yeah.
that. It's just that I can't wrap my head around knowing that you that the possibility is like that there's never a chance that just because you're starting, like, how do hmm. I guess it's
Like
a,
just
I guess you could say possibility. The possibility, or the how many possible combinations there are, that if you already check this, then mind you, these rows are all the same numbers.
yeah,
So
yeah,
if
yeah, yeah.
rows are all the same, and you check this is this, all those combinations, that if you move to this, and from this index on, that all the stuff that you're leaving behind is has already been checked. That's like the fact that I'm trying to wrap my hand around.
Well, the fact
Like, there, I
is,
need to see a proof on why that's true. I
well,
understand that, yes, we're
it's
adding and we already went through it, but the proof of what makes
well, think about it.
us ensure that everything you're leaving behind, that you're skipping out on, that you're never, that it will never be useful
Well, because
to
we're
for the
using the same
target.
numbers. We're using the same numbers. right? Like you said, we're using the same numbers already. So the fact that we're using the same numbers allows us to delete certain numbers or certain elements of the array, right? Because once we say 222, right, the idea is that using this two and this two is the same as using these two. This is the first two. And using this two is using the same two, this two. Because it's the same, like you said, the same number, the same element, the same thing, right?
Yeah.
So saying, hey, right, I know for sure, right, that these are the same numbers, right? And if so, right, that means that I can delete this, like, I can delete this number, right? How do I say it? I can delete this number, right? Because this number, right, is how do I say it? How do I say it? I had it in my tongue. I had it in my mouth.
Hey.
Hey yo, you had to make it. Hey, that's on you, bro.
I'm
That's on
sorry.
you, bro. That's on
I'm
you, bro.
sorry.
That's on you, bro. That's
I'm
on you.
sorry, bro.
Is that Jeremy and you? Hey
Hey,
yo,
yo. Chill out with that one.
hey yo, it's too deep. Hey yo.
All
Okay,
right, Jose.
all right.
You
That's
you
a bit.
just you went to church today, bro. All right. I don't want to hear, or else I'm gonna send it to the head of the church, and
Damn.
I'm gonna tell them display it for everyone.
That's my bad. That's my bad. That's my
Yeah.
bad.
All right.
All right, all
Go
right,
ahead and
all right,
shoot
all
it.
right, all right. So we covered this two, these three, right? Blah blah
Yes.
boom. Yes, yes, yes. How it right? Your idea, your doubt is that hey, how can I sure that skipping these two, right? If I skip
Mhm.
these two, like I might missing opportunities.
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay.
Exactly. I just
Yeah.
can't right now.
Okay.
I can't wrap around that.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
But I know by what you're saying, I know that you're saying it's true, and I believe you. Don't get me
Yeah.
wrong. I
Yeah.
believe
You
you.
just have
It's
to.
just I
You have
can't
to.
understand it
Yeah.
fully.
Yeah. Well, the way I see about it is that these two are the same. They're the same no matter where you're at. They're the same. They're just
Mhm.
in different like universes per se, right? When I move to this three, right? It's like saying you're also moving from this two, right? Because you know for a fact that if you touch this two, right, it's like we're beginning at this two, right? It's like this two is taken in position of this right here, like you're replacing it right here. For example, 262, right? Your this 262, right? Once you hit this two, it's like replacing it right over here with this two and doing 226, right? So the thing is like, hey, if I already went with this two, right? I already visited this two. If I already visited this three, I already visited this three, right?
You got it. You actually you perfectly said it right there, bro.
Yeah.
Good
So like,
explanation. Round of applause. Give me hold on.
yeah, I try my best.
I need to give you your flowers right there because I could not see it, but you just painted it out perfectly right there. Wow.
Yeah, I tried my
That
best. I
makes
tried my best.
sense. That makes
Yeah,
total sense.
yeah,
This
because
is
once you,
this is kind of replacing this
yeah,
and so if you go this, you already know the three is there.
yeah, like
So
it's
you're
like yeah, like 132. This once you hit this two, this goes right here. Boom, right? It goes right here. So it's like same thing as 223, but you're just like flipping these two around, and this two takes the position of this two. And the same thing with six and two. This two takes the position of this when you're doing 267, 226. Seven, this two takes the position of this two when you're doing 272, right? Is the same as 227. So you flip them around. You're like, okay, since this two eventually is gonna take this position, and I know for a fact that I already passed this two. I'm already at 6. I can ignore it, right? Because this two is the same as this two, and if I visited this two, I also visited this two, right? This 3, I already visited this 3 right here. So I can kind of say like, hey, right? If if I already passed 2, if I already passed 2 and I'm already in 6, there's no need for me to go back to 2.
I get it.
Yeah, there's no need for me to go back to 2. Because if I'm at 2, it's the same as if I'm saying I'm over here at 2, but I already passed that 2,
Mm-hmm.
right? There's no need for me to go back. It's like you're living in parallel universes, right? Different timelines, right? And you already lived this 2, but in a different dimension, right?
Yes.
So you already know what's gonna happen, right?
Yes.
So there's no need to go there. It's like, hey, let's avoid this at that cost because that decision doesn't work at all.
Yeah.
Yeah. Same thing with this 3. Say like, hey, are you already past 3? There's no need for me to go to this 3 in this new dimension or new timeline because I already know what's gonna happen if I go to 3. The
No.
RNA.
Yeah, you got it. You got it.
You got it? Okay. So if we go back to the leak code, you think about it. How do I now know restrict myself with the start or where do I begin? Well, we're gonna switch our for loop. Instead of going from 0 all the way to the candidates, we're gonna have declare um uh a new variable called start. So you know how we have for I in candidates? We're gonna do for I in range from start all the way to length candidate. Yes? Perfect. That's nice. That's perfect. Now, no. Now start is gonna be a parameter in track, right? So you can do start. You can also put it on line 18. And then on line 21, you can add just 0 as your starting point. Yeah. So now how is this gonna work? Well, this 0 is gonna go to start, and we're gonna for the first iteration, right? We have 0 all the way to length candidates, right?
Oh,
Now
start plus
I
one.
no. Oh, no. Start plus. Wait a minute. No, your start. Here's the thing. Your start is gonna become your I, right? It's gonna become your I, because your I, right? If we go back to Skelidra, right? Your I is a 0, so we're gonna say 0, 0, 0, right? No. It's just I, because that I is gonna dictate when we start. Because a for loop, right, is gonna change I every time. So we just have to let that I just do it by itself. Because if we go back to Skelly drop, right? Um, we have of course 0, 1, 2, 3. We start at first position, we go 0, and then we send the 0 over here. Then we send the 0 over here, and then the for loop, right, iterates through all of this. Once the for loop finishes, it goes back. Now it's a for loop of this, right, to go to 1, right? And now we start at 1 and iterate all the way. So we're based on the indices of
Of
the
I.
previous car, which is the I. So we send the I to the next car, which is going to restrict where we start and thereof prevent any repetitions.
Okay.
The RNA.
Yay. Big yay.
Yeah. And then if you want to run it, and I think that should be good.
Don't we
Oh
need a
yes.
return statement of some
Return
sort?
ends. Return ends. Return ends. Yes. After you caught track, you have to return ends.
Womp,
What?
womp,
You didn't do it?
womp.
Oh, I can't see. I can't see
Oh, now you're just
because
streaming for you.
I'm a wait. Okay, bet. Damn, bro, where would we go wrong? Where'd you go wrong?
Where did you go wrong?
Where'd you go wrong?
I don't know.
All right,
I
let's
was
see.
asking you the same thing. Memory limit exceeded.
Ooh, fast. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Uh. Okay. Hmm. That is very interesting. Yeah, that works. That works. That works. Oh, I see. Because I on line 16, you know how we're using eyes, right? We should switch it to candidates at I, position I. Like cursum, you're supposed to be candidates at position I since you want the value, not the indices. And also for the temp, the one in temp, and after that, you should be good. Yes, sir.
Do I dare look at more examples?
You can go for it.
Go for it as in submit.
No, 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 like look at the examples. Let's see. Let's just make sure. Oh, there's one on I think on the second page at the bottom. Yeah, right there, right there, right there. That one. Seems pretty lengthy. I think it's 500. Yeah, 500. Okay, I think it's invalid then.
Oh, they added. Okay. Um,
I think it's good. I
you
think
think
it's
it's
good.
fine?
Think it's positive. I'm positive it is.
You're positive?
100%.
Okay. I trust you. All right. Submitted.
Hey, 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 hey. So that's
Wow.
your first backtracking problem, my guy.
That's my
It's
first backtracking problem.
yeah, and it's I love the like the smart tricks like the temp plus and there's just I don't know, it's just really nice.
That one,
Uh huh.
the temp plus. You know what got me? What got me was the ending.
The start.
Was the start stuff. Everything
Yeah.
else, I
Oh,
was cool, cool, calm,
yeah,
collected.
yeah.
And then of course this new thing, right? Like this new thing, yeah, it was new. Other than that, it made sense until I hit the end, which was
The start.
the start stuff.
Yeah. It
But
was
after
wild.
thorough conversations with you, we figured it out, and you explained it well.
I tried my best. I tried my best.
Chihuahuas, man.
The next question, which is the same thing as backtracking, called a word search.
Whoa.
No, no, no. For another stream. For another stream.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. The
The next
next
question,
question.
it's a word search. That one is, you know, we are kind of good at tree at what's it called graph traversals and like the DFS and the Q and stuff.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Combine that with backtracking. Oof,
Ooh.
bro. That thing was wild, but it
Ooh.
was a fun problem. I tell you that it's a fun problem. Got word search. So if you guys want to see us solve it, tune in for the next live stream. Leave a like, subscribe, because that problem, it's
Bro,
really good, bro.
why did you sound like that? So
What do you?
if y'all wanna see us solve that, like and subscribe.
Bro, what you mean, bro? I had to plug it in there.
No, like you were like, bro, it's such a cool problem. Like it's really interesting. And then if you'd like to watch, like and subscribe for you go next stream, we'll watch it. We'll solve it. Bro, I'm gonna be real with you. I'm tired. And you're
Same
gonna be
here, bro.
tired. You gotta wake up at
Same
7,
here.
bro.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, actually today. Today's start of a new week. Big week ahead. Big
Big
week.
week ahead, hopefully,
Big week.
hopefully, hopefully.
And whatever. What was I gonna say? I forgot what I was gonna say. But before we go, bro, we gotta give our insane level, man.
Dude, I'm like at an 8 right now.
You had an 8.
Yeah, I'm ready to go to bed. I'm
Okay,
hitting the pillows.
you're at an 8. All
Hey,
right, Jose.
yes, sir.
8. I'm gonna say I'm at a. Bro, actually, I feel like I'm at a 7, man. I'm at a 7. There's a lot of
Okay, okay.
factors that are playing into it. Majority of it is from that ending on the explanation on that um concept that you could just skip
Yeah. Yep, yep, yep.
numbers.
Yep, yep, yep.
Um, and other than that is I'm tired.
Yeah. All right. We can
But
cut it off
we've been
here.
streaming every day,
Every week, every
every
week.
day. I mean, I'm sorry. So, like, see, I'm tired. We've been streaming every week this for almost a year. It's gonna be a year in like 2 weeks. I think in a
Sir.
week or 2 weeks. So we're gonna be here again next week. We don't know what time, we don't know what day, but if you have our notifications on, you will get notified whenever we're online.
Damn,
Usually it's a
bro.
Sunday, but we
You
might
see
we're,
this?
we're thinking either Friday, Saturday next week. Um, so
Depends, depends.
depends, depends. We don't know for sure, but what we do know is that for our 1 year anniversary, we got to do something big, and by big, I mean like maybe like a big stream, and it's gonna take a lot of effort. It's gonna be I think it's gonna be really interesting. Not big as in like we're doing like actually I don't know. I'm gonna keep that for a surprise. I don't want to hype it too much because we have literally no clue what we want to do, but just know it's gonna be something new. Maybe it's gonna set a new tone for the year. We don't know.
Yeah. We don't
But
know,
me
but
and
hey,
me,
we're
and- me and
excited.
Jose gotta enter Dragon's Den, and we gotta plot it out, start writing, figure out what the plan is for that 1 year mark, and then that's all I gotta say. I'm done yapping.
Yes, sir. All right,
Jose,
buddy.
other than that, anything you look forward to tonight?
Hey,
Sleeping? Anything?
sleeping, probably going to school and stuff, cause why not? I have to. But other than that, I'm ready to go to bed. I'm tired.
All right,
You
man. I'm
know,
gonna let you end it off. I'm done talking.
yeah. So thank you, Jeremy. Thank you, Jesse, for tuning in. Hopefully you stay here and like everything we do. Jonathan, special thanks to Jonathan. Actually, he helped me with another mark interview, a technical market interview this past Friday. I appreciate that, Jonathan. I really thank you for that, for taking time off your day, making space for me to get that little practice. So thank you, Jonathan, for that mock interview, and thank you, Jeremy. Thank you, Saxon. Thank you. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for tuning in. See you guys tomorrow. See you, well, not tomorrow, next live stream. Take care. Have a great, wonderful night, evening, day, whatever time it is. Just have a great day. Bye bye, guys.
Bye.